lovely friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how I go about my day as I work in my business. Today I am unloafing my soaps. These soaps are my face soap for shaving, for men and for ladies, you know, for shaving your legs, your arm, any part of your body that you like to shave. So these are my shaving soaps, and I am just taking them out of the mold. And also today I will be showing you guys how to make some different things like infused oil and hairspray. These are things that I do for my family on a regular basis, and I really enjoy doing those things. Also, I will be packaging some baby bum creams. There are some things that I just run out of on a regular basis for my business, and so I just have to keep making them, sometime weekly, daily, but these are things that I enjoy doing and it's no bother to me. So let's get into the video. There will not be a lot of talking. It will be just seeing me doing the things, so just enjoy.
you've been through lately. I know this ride can be shaky, and we'd be much safer on the ground. So very sure that you felt it, and so very hard to explain it. Up in the air, this love we found. It's a tricky situation, 'cause we don't know what to do. But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for you. Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. Find the words to say, I have to find another way to show you what's on my mind. Oh, what's on my mind. We can slip out the back door. I just wanna hold you like before. Girl, you're really one of a kind. It's a tricky situation, 'cause we don't know what to do. But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for you. Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. Calling out for you. It's easier said than done. I guess I was a foolish one, but when you believe in love, it's only worth the dream Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. Calling out for you. Calling out for you.
So friends, thanks for watching. I have just tested the hairsprays. They work perfectly. I'll leave them on the counter and I'll spray my hair again later on and see how it feels and if the scent stays. And if it doesn't, then I'll add some more essential oils, but usually it's fine. So yeah, it works really well. So thanks for watching, and remember to stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, my loves.